All right, we're here with the wonderful Sarah Zink. If I could make a 30-minute video about how much I admire you, Sarah. But for now, we're going to focus on this because it's super difficult. This is completing the square with our coefficient not equal to 1. And it's tricky, but you can do it. You've got to practice it. So I'm going to put this unnecessary. Oh, hold on. We don't need to complete the square on this one, I don't think.
Yeah.
I don't think.
I just divided it, but then I got the...
We want to divide everything by 49. So you get 4x squared over 49 plus y squared over 49 equals 1. Here's where it gets super weird because we don't want a 4 there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're back. And so what Sarah and I are debating here is that, I guess I'm asking that, is this x squared over 4/49? I don't think so, me personally. Or is this x squared over 49 fourths? Okay. First thing we could just put in numbers and we would find out pretty quickly. But what I want you to do is consider this 4 over 49 times x squared over 1. Okay. And I think, from my math knowledge, that multiplying by a fraction, we never go this direction. Normally we say when you divide by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. Well, here I'm going to go the other way. That's the same thing as x squared over 1. Oh, I know I'm going in a different order, but it doesn't matter because we're multiplying. Divided by 49 over 4.
Okay.
Does that make sense? And that little thought experiment makes me realize that my next step, and I might end up erasing that over there on the right, we're going to write this as x squared over 49 fourths plus y squared. This just didn't write correct. It should be a 49. Okay? And so now I know that I'm not even going to go into A's and B's. We've been down that road. Okay? I know that 49 is bigger than 49 fourths. Let me take a little bit of a pause here. And back. I'm going to erase this, Sarah. Oh, jeez. Okay, so what do I know? I know that this thing is bigger. Well, first of all, I know it's centered at 0, 0, so at least we have that going on for us. I know that it's bigger in the y direction than it is in the x direction. Okay, and I think I know that if I put in a 7 for y, then I got to have a 0 for x. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this has to be 7, 0. And this has to be what?
-7.
That's right. So that helps me clarify what is going to go in for my other one. Square root of 49 over 4 is 7/2. So this is, oh shoot, I did it wrong already. What did I do wrong? Do you spot it? Those are in the wrong order.
Oh, yeah.
0, 7, 0, -7. 7/2, 0, -7/2, 0. Now, what are they asking us to do in this question? Maybe we'll go back and look at the directions.
I needed to
Find the foci. Okay. So here's how I remember this. Ellipses involve pluses, and the foci involve minuses. So we'll say, we'll go to a different color here. A is 7, and B is 7/2. Okay, so then you do 49 minus 49/2 is C squared. might ask, why did you go the other way? Like, how do you remember which one's A? If I went the other way, it would be negative. It wouldn't be possible. Okay? So that gives you 49 halves equals C squared. So then C is 7 halves, just like happens to be the same as the semi-major axis. Those foci are going to be along the major axis, so I just got to make sure I write these in the right order. 0, comma 7 halves. 0, comma negative 7 halves. Does that help?
Yeah. I just got